How to find your referral code in TradeW. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are on TradeW or TradeWheel app and trying to find your referral code, you are in the right place. So let's get started. First of all, open the TradeW application on your device. Once you open the home page, also make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, go ahead and click on My Account button at the bottom right corner from the home screen. You'll then be able to see your profile icon. Right next to it, you'll see your referral ID. Click on the copy button right next to referral code. Your referral code is 8-digit long. Tap on the copy button and click on copy referral code to copy it, or you can also share it with your friends by tapping on share referral code. Select one of the contacts and click send. And right after you share your referral code with your friends, your friend will need to use that referral code to create an account and add it to your account. And you can start inviting friends and enjoy the rewards together once you know where to look for the referral code. So there you have it. That's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.